You'll do anything for the shot. There's a bigger risk of hurting yourself in the process. It's Movement Cube Monday, and this week we're talking knee pain. So here's a few things that can help. First, we'll do a self-myofascial release on the quad. So what you want to do is straighten the leg, find the spot that's tender when you push on it above the knee. We're going to take tension on that with one hand, start to bring the heel back towards your butt. With the other hand, you're going to grab the leg and pull it further back into a stretch. And this we can repeat for 3 to 5 passes until that knot feels like it's worked out. Next, we'll add some load to the quad with a little bit of a demi-plie march. What you'll do here is you're going to try to keep the torso upright as we squat down as low as we can before the heels pop off the floor. From here, I want you to shift your weight from one side to the other. And we'll go back and forth about 5 or 6 times per leg, trying not to let the head raise any higher as we do this. This you can repeat for 2 or 3 sets, and really you can just do it in between each set of the myofascial release. And last, we'll use kinesio tape to give the knee a break. What you'll do here is you're going to rip the back paper right in the middle of the tape. From there, we'll use about a 50% stretch right below the kneecap. So you're going to add the stretch in the tape, with the knee bent, right below the kneecap. And the rest of it from there, we're just going to pull the tape off the paper, making sure it sticks, and just work it up the quad. Now, to know that you did this right, when you straighten the knee out, you should have kind of a fat knee or some wrinkles in the skin on the knee. That's going to help to decompress the tissue and help with any pain that we have left over. As always, you may need a full assessment of the knee to actually fix the problem, but these are going to help most of the general population that have knee pain. So go ahead and give these a try, because if you can fix yourself, you should. And if you can't, we're here.